Malware. Malware is a short term of malicious software. Malware is computer code designed to steal sensitive and confidential information from victims' computer and mobile devices, also to cause a damage or take control of hardware and software computer system. Malware comes in many forms, like viruses. Almost all viruses are attached to an executable file, which means the virus may exist on a system but will not spread until the user opens the infected program. Viruses often originate on the internet and spread when downloading a file infected with a virus, or peer-to-peer file sharing, or email attachment. Worms. Worms can replicate themselves and infect multiple computers on a network, causing major damage. Network worms often use computer networks to spread, slowing down traffic and relying on security failures, such as outdated operating system and no antivirus programs installed. Trojan. A Trojan is a harmful piece of software that looks legitimate. Users are typically tricked into leading it, executing it on their systems. Trojans can not only steal your sensitive data, they can also give cybercriminals access to your system. Trojans are employed to gain access to your computer financial and personal information. Ransomware. It locks infected systems until the victim pays money to unlock it. Credentials stealers are used to get username and password through phishing emails. Banking Trojans are more specific, targeting your bank username and passwords. Keyloggers can record your keystrokes to get passwords, account numbers. And more attacker can use a set of tools called rootkits to get control of the victim system. With a cryptocurrency miner, an attacker can take over the victim computer to generate cryptocurrency like a Bitcoin. If the victim unwittingly installed a botnet on his computer, can become part of a network of infected systems used to send spam and launch large-scale of attacks. Malware can make entry onto the victim computer via file downloads, visiting infected websites, or through emails containing a seemingly benign link or attachment. Attackers always focus to find a way to trick people into running a malicious file, opening an infected file, or clicking an unsafe web link. That's why stopping malware starts with people.